So, in terms of reframing to deal with difficulties that we experience as teachers, we can start to begin to think about conceptual innovation. And what this implies is that as reflective practitioners, we're working with a concept-based approach to teaching and also learning. The thing about a concept-based approach to the work that we do is that it very much enables knowledge transfer and also promotes more engagement and more motivation in terms of learning. This is very true for the reflective practitioner because what we're always seeking to do is continually grow and develop as professionals. And therefore, concept-based teaching and learning is going to help us continually reframe issues, transfer knowledge that we're acquiring from our experience, and in the same way, define a better level of engagement and motivation for ourselves with the work that we do. And concept-based teaching and learning is very much a process which is very critical, but also very creative and helps us reflect and develop our conceptual abilities. And these things come together in a very powerful way to enable reflective practitioners to develop not only their teacher identity, but also to personally and professionally empower themselves in terms of their work. Concept-based teaching is therefore very synergistic. It brings all of these aspects together, the creative and the critical and the reflective components, so that the reflective practitioner acquires a much deeper intellectual capacity to work with issues and problems that they face, and also to develop skills and knowledge about pedagogy. It is therefore a process of developing conceptual structures in the brain. We build new frames for perspectives and how we interpret our experiences, and it's through these frames that we start to make links between new knowledge and old knowledge, existing knowledge, or prior knowledge that we've had. And it's this ability to build frames upon frames, to develop our conceptual understanding, that the reflective practitioner starts to become a highly effective teaching professional. And concept-based teaching helps us transfer what we're learning, the knowledge from experience, the acquired knowledge that we get from teaching, with the theoretical, the academic understanding that we have about teaching. And concept-based teaching and learning facilitates the knowledge transfer across boundaries of those two domains. And of course, concept-based teaching and learning promotes engagement and motivation. And if we are more engaged in what we're doing, and if we're very highly motivated, then the chances for learning and development and becoming highly effective greatly increases. Because through increased motivation, we can make better linkages between facts and our understanding of facts, and how we actually link learning from experience to the academic learning that we have. And values, and this also values and respects the thinking that we have as professionals. It actually helps us further our professional identity. And therefore, what we can see is that it's very constructivist from a theoretical point of view. It's an understanding that teaching and learning is not fixed, and that as teachers, we will constantly be building new understandings, constructing our understanding of our experiences and our profession. And what this implies, as always, is that we need to look at this from a very collaborative and cooperative point of view. From a constructivist perspective, we are not working in isolation. We're working within groups, within teams, within society, and therefore concept-based teaching and learning needs to be something which is shared with others and happens with the collaboration of colleagues.